Hello guys, welcome to O Yellow Circle. In this video, I will share with you how to remove background in a few simple steps. Click on layer panel. Here I have added a image. If you want to unlock, convert into the layer, just click on lock icon. Then go to the properties. Click on remove on the quick section. Click on remove background. It may take few seconds and your background will be removed. You can see the background is successfully removed. In case you can't able to find the properties panel, then go to the top, click to the windows, and here you can find check the properties, then it will be unable. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe and like this for more such videos.